so much.
Mchana Municipality Francis Zake Commissioner nacho mchongerako. Commissioner from Parliament Honorable Zake wabale kujja.
Banango Bob Roses to Maleyu.
Kabia Frank. Honorable Kabia Frank. Minister for Wakubuka.
Yes.
Honorable Nyawa la kujabuka wakwata bulungi. Honorable Jenny Derek Nyeko.
Timu ya fe kulembera masabu kuvembale. You're most welcome, Honorable.
Thank you, most welcome.
Abavude mu shauri yako namwe tubaniriza nnyo mwena abavude mu shauri yako chairman wa Bobiwine angambi wali
yabale kujja
ya banange president wetwogeye ya side eri
nakola ki
ali mu ku unveilinga wano wajja kubeerawo okujjukira n'okumanya abo abafiiridde mweno struggle ku bisenge ebyo byonna era nga gwe basoose okwanveilinga president ng'ali wamu n'abakulembeze banne abadde Yasin Kauma Jeno Yoweri Kaguta temu president huyo akomawo baba alikutambula noyo
bakobe buluso
noyo musinguzi noyo arali
Secretary General
alikutambula ni mama
His Excellency
Mama Ngobi
ajja
Ngobi wena tusangaire akaluluka president alina Dr. Kizza Besigye alina Dr. Kizza Besigye. We are writing history in Uganda.
I'm telling you,
we will maneuver and liberate this country.
We shall never forget this.
We will liberate this country.
One day,
we will liberate this country.
That is our mission.
Kakam, we will liberate this country.
And we shall never come.
We will liberate Uganda.
Honorable Miriam Atembe. The future President Ambassador John Baptist.
You're most welcome.
Lord Mwali, Lord Mayor Wali, Elias Lukwago, Elliot Kaija, Yetimu Warekete President, Aletuka Kane. President Jacomielo.
Without wasting any time, when I'm we will be running this program alongside Honorable Namuga, but it will overall be taken by my boss, Honorable Joel Senyonyi. Nawemu ku Senyonyi ndoza kati abatwale ko nange fune ku lwendo lw'amazzi. Si weewaawo?
Weewaawo.
People power!
Our power!
Our power! NUP!
Everywhere!
Kachiga boy, esina yogera luzungu lungi. Asooke mulengere mmanju wale ekizimbe kiri wali mu kiraba.
Tukirengera.
Ekyo kyaffe.
Kale mukikubirako mu ngalo.
Kino ekiri wano mu kiraba.
Tukirengera.
Nakyo kyaffe.
Nga kyamanya mukikubirako mu ngalo.
Kiri ekiri wali mu kiraba.
Kirengedde.
Ekyo nakyo kyaffe.
Katonda wange byonna byaffe.
Wano watimiridde mulaba wano. Wano nawo waffe.
Katonda wange.
Nawo we mutudde wonna.
Wonna waffe.
Nawo wonna waffe.
Lwaki twakubirako mu ngalo?
People power!
Our power!
Our power!
People power!
Ana etufunye amaka. Omwana bw'akula afuna amaka. Tufunye amaka ky'olaba waliwo abalina ennugu abafuna akasajja ku mutima kubanga bo bakyapangisa. Ffe tufunye amaka. Kino kiraga nti tuli beeteefuteefu okukwasaganya ensonga y'obukulembeze. Kubanga obukulembeze butandikira waka. Mr. President and the rest of our leaders want to welcome everybody that has come. Once again we want to welcome retired Colonel Dr. Kizza Besigye. Endulu eya Kano. We want to welcome Omulodi w'ekibuga Kampala, the Honorable Miria Matembe. We want to welcome our Deputy Presidents, Deputy Central, Deputy Western, Deputy Eastern. Kindly stand. We want to welcome, of course, our Secretary General. He's also in the house. The Deputy Secretary General of the FDC, Harold Kaija. We have taken note of our other leaders, but let me request all NUP members of Parliament to stand. NUP members of Parliament, you are welcome. Please stand and wave to the crowd.
Thank you, the honorable members, for blessing this function.
Now, we have also been joined by members of Parliament from other political parties. Kindly stand. Members of Parliament from other political parties, you're very welcome. Honorable Dr. Timothy Batua, Honorable Aga from Jinja. I saw Honorable Asinas Nyakato somewhere.
Been around.
You are all very welcome. Let me request LC5 chairpersons, please stand. LC5 chairpersons, want to take note of your presence. Thank you for coming.
You are very recognized.
From PG, from Butambala. Mayors, let me request mayors to also stand. You are very welcome. Let me request speakers at various levels. Speakers, please stand.
We want to thank you very much for blessing this function.
Councillors at various levels, LC5, LC3, and so on. Councillors, please stand.
All the councillors stand up for recognition. Thanks so much.
So we are not going to delay too much because the weather is beginning to change. I'm going to invite the Secretary General. He's going to update us on a couple of things, how we get to be here. Some people have been asking, but hey, wait a minute, we unveiled a different plan with one building. Now there are like 5 buildings. What happened along the way? He's going to give us all of that information and why we got to that place.